So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically reset and factory reset your Fitbit. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your device and you want to go and wake it up. So wake up your Fitbit just like this. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and swipe down from the top. So go ahead, swipe down from the top like this, and you want to find the little panel that says something like settings. So go ahead and find your settings panel, it's right here. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and find the option that says something like, if you scroll down, it says something like device info. You want to tap onto the device info option. And then there's going to be a lot of things, system info, but at the bottom it's going to say clear user data. All you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on clear user data, and it's going to ask you if you want to clear the data here. So here what you want to do is you want to hold down this thing for 3 seconds. Seconds is not going to work, so 3, 2, 1. And after holding it down for 3 seconds, it will go ahead and actually factory reset. So everything will then go ahead and be deleted from your Fitbit, and then it's just going to go and restart, and then you can go and set it up again with a different type of device. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.